Whoa, you did it. You finished this whole course. That's amazing. And now you're in a position to really be more educated about dropshipping. Understand there's a whole bunch of different ways to earn money and change your life. Keep in mind, this course is a constant work in progress. If there is something that you want me to add to this course, comment in the discussion or contact me on Facebook or contact me in my YouTube channel or send me an email. If there's something that you want to learn, I'm going to add it to this course. I've put in as much as I can in the moment at the launch, but this course is going to continue to evolve and get better and better and better based on the feedback from you guys, because I know that there can be more in this course. There can be more tutorials, there can be more conversations, and there can be more content. But I don't know exactly what you guys want. So if you've gotten to this point, you've watched everything else, I trust you. I believe in you, and I want you to tell me what else you want to learn. Because if I have access to the information, it is yours. I will add videos to this course and make it better and better and better. Thank you so much for completing this, and I hope it was useful. I know that I didn't make this course to earn a bunch of money. I made this course thinking, okay, what course would have been really good for me 2 years ago? And honestly, there's so many courses about how to set something up. And that's useful. But what I want is just something that gives me experience quickly so then I can make better decisions and progress faster. That was my goal, okay? So again, you can email me. You can comment in the discussion in this course. You can comment on my YouTube channel. Or you can contact me through Facebook, okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.